Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Pull the fabric softener dispenser off of the top of the agitator. Pull the dust cap out of the agitator. Use a 7/16 socket with an extension to remove the agitator bolt. Pull the top auger off of the agitator assembly and set it on a work surface. Dump the agitator cam out of the top of the agitator auger. Remove the plastic bearing from the cam. The plastic bearing holds the Agitate dogs in place. Pull the Agitate dogs off of the cam. Push the new Agitate dogs onto the cam. Reinstall the plastic bearing on the cam to hold the Agitate dogs in place. Push the cam back into the agitator auger. Position the auger back on the top of the agitator assembly. Reinstall the 7/16 bolt and washer to secure the agitator to the agitator shaft. Reinstall the dust cap. Snap the fabric softener dispenser back on top of the agitator assembly. Plug the washer into the electrical outlet.